Yo, what's going on, traders? Welcome back to my channel. I'm back, guys, with another video. So guys, we just get done killing gold 100 pips right now in less than 1 hour. So guys, I would like to show you guys how I was able to find that gold entry, you know what I'm saying? So if you're in a free Telegram group, you saw how I killed this market, guys. You saw everything, you know what I'm saying? Because I did share the setup in a free Telegram group, showing them like, yo, this is the entry that we're going to be focusing on today. So if you're interested in a free Telegram group, you can join the free the link for the free Telegram group. It's always on description below. You're gonna be able to get an update every day of the pairs that I'm about to go through for the day. So join right now. The link is on description below. So let me show you guys how I was able to catch this trade. First of all, guys, you can see this was my analysis, you know what I'm saying, from gold, you know what I'm saying, because you can see that gold is been moving from this point here, you know what I'm saying, went to this part, came back to the trend line, resistance, back to the zone and trend line, France, and continue to the resistance, came back to the support, but at this point the market decided to break out the support. As you guys know, I'm trying, guys, to to do this kind of videos so much because I think this is the most important thing which is going to help you to become profitable in the forex market. You need to know about price action, guys. It's everything in the forex market, you know what I say. So I want you guys to learn so much about price action. So this is what you need to know. The most important part is here. You can see that we got breakout, and you need to know that when you see a breakout, it's a good opportunity as well. Just be happy because you know that after the breakout the market is always give the pullback around after the previous zone. So which means the previous zone was this one. After this zone we got pullback, and I did share this in a free Telegram group. I told them like, yo guys, stay tuned. The gold is already breakout, you know what I say. Guys, I'm not a scalper, you know what I say. I'm not a scalper, I'm a daily trader, but I do not catch 10 pips in the market. I don't do that. I don't do that, you know what I say. I catch starting from 50 pips, 100 pips to go, you know what I say, 200, type shit. So around this point I told them in the free Telegram group that, hey guys, we waiting for the pullback, then we're going to kill them. We're gonna be able to trade XAUSD, which is the gold. You feel what I'm saying? And then around this point here, I saw that the market has been struggling, you know I said. The market has been struggling to push all the way to this point, but I've been waiting for the market to push all the way to this point. I ended up not trusting this market because I didn't have no way to enter, because I didn't have any confirmation that allows me to enter in gold. Remember, I'm not a scalper, so I'm not going to trade gold on 1 minute. I'm not doing that. That's not for me. I decided not being that kind of trader. After you become trader, bro, you're going to know like, yo, you're going to find yourself which type of trader you are, scalper or swinging trader. So it's up to you. It's up to you how you want to be trading the market. You know what I'm saying? So I saw that the market has been struggling to go all the way up to this point over here, you know what I say. But I saw market gave the pullback, you know what I say, around this area, give again you know what I say, give again another pullback around this area, and then we got another push on down around this area. Then I got another pullback here. Then I was like, wow. So now gold decided to do this. All right, what I did is I went to 1 hour time frame. If I'm saying I went to 1 hour time frame, let me show what I did. you can see, guys, around this area, I mean around this area right here, we have, I keep everything clear, guys, so that you guys can learn. We got first touch, we got second touch, and we got 30 touch with a big rejection. Then this is why I was like it's beautiful now. It's beautiful. We got a beautiful setup. You can see the channel, the gold has created like a beautiful channel. Let me show you what I mean by that. We're gonna connect these three, then we'll see what we're gonna get. Let's do it. Let's connect these three. I connected these three. Then I was like, this is a beautiful channel. You feel what I'm saying? I was like, this is a beautiful channel. You feel what I'm saying? You can see, guys, this is a clear and beautiful channel. You feel what I'm saying? And what I did is around this area, the market was still around here. The market was still around here. Still around here. You feel what I'm saying? What I did is I told my team, like, guys, stay tuned. We're about to enter gold. You feel what I'm saying? Of course, it was not small pips because it was not lower time frame. You feel what I'm saying? And then I switched on 15-minute time frame. You feel what I'm saying? I switched on 15-minute time frame, and then what I saw on 15-minute time frame, I saw that we in a beautiful moment to drop no matter what. This is that kind of trade. Once you enter this kind of trade and you lose this trade, it's not like it's I don't know how I'm gonna say about it, but some trade you can just feel it like 100%. This is 100% because I tried to pull up this the trend line of 15-minute time frame. This is what I tried on 15-minute time frame, and I saw that we had also a trend line on 15-minute time frame. You have to, before you enter the trade, you have to try both sides. You feel what I'm saying? You have to try all the time frames. I always try 1 hour, 4 hours daily, just to make sure something it's a really clear thing. You feel what I'm saying? I saw that on 15-minute time frame, the market has been giving us the trend line. And after uptrend thing. Type this kind of stuff, and then after that we got pullback, and also we got a blackout and the pullback. You feel what I'm saying? This is what was like a wow. This is the pullback already on 15-minute time frame. So which means the trend that we have right now, it's going to be continuation all the way to over here, this point right here. So as we speak, guys, let me show you all the way to this point here. Okay, all right. So as we speak, guys, we entered this trade. You feel me? And we already exit the first take profit. You feel what I'm saying? Because the first take profit was right here. The market just hit the first take profit and then hit us out with the first take profit around this area. Now we're waiting for the TP2. So this is how I do it, guys. Let me explain to you. If I enter with the 6 trades from here, the first take profit, I take the profit with the 3 pairs. 3 positions. If I entered with the 6 positions from here, first take profit, I exit with the 3 positions, and then the last ones, I wait for the pullback. After I get the pullback, I continue with the last one. But remember that I already exit some profit. You feel what I'm saying? So after I exit my profit, after I exit my TP1, I always make sure that I shift the stop loss as well. You can see that the stop loss was around this area in the beginning. The time we entered, the stop loss was around this area, and then I shifted the stop loss from this point all the way to the profit inside. And then right now I'm just waiting for the market to drop and give me my TP2, you feel me, around this area right here. So guys, I hope you learn something from this, because I put all my information to it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and make sure you like the video. You feel what I'm saying? This channel, guys, it's helping you a lot, because I teach you things I learned for years, bro. Things that I've learned for years, I'm just giving to you in a minute. You know, I say, so make sure support the channel, subscribe, like the video, join the free Telegram group. Let's win together, baby. See you on the next one. Peace.